अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आप देख रहे हैं डीपीटी प्रेप विद डॉक्टर माहम। बच्चों, हमने पिछली वीडियो में केएमयू कैट 2023 सेकेंड टेस्ट पार्ट 1 डिस्कस किया था और अब हम पार्ट 2 डिस्कस करेंगे, यानी कि द रेस्ट 50 MCQs। तो चलिए बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए स्टार्ट करते हैं। Which chloride of lead is ionic? Correct answer is option C, that is PbCl2, because it is the mainly ionic. With increase in unpaired electrons, magnetism. Correct answer is option A, that is increases, because more unpaired electrons produce stronger paramagnetism. Most catalytic elements belongs to. Correct answer is option C, that is D block, because transition metals are excellent catalyst. Organic chemistry is. Correct answer here is option C, that is study of hydrocarbons and their derivatives, because organic chemistry mainly deals with the hydrocarbons and their derivatives. Cell counting apparatus is cell counter, that is option A. Cell counters are used to count the cell. 9 outer pair of tubules and 2 single central tubules are present in the internal structure of. Correct answer is option C, that is cilia and flagella. Bachcho, cilia and flagella have 9 plus 2 arrangement of the microtubules, 9 outer doublets and 2 central singlets. So centrioles have a 9 plus 0, that is arrangement. Which one of the following makes the membrane selectively permeable? Correct answer is option D, that is both A and B, which are lipids and proteins. The lipid bilayer forms the membrane barrier, while membrane protein regulates the movement of the substance, making the membrane selectively permeable. All of the following are double-layered membrane except for. Correct answer is option A, that is endoplasmic reticulum. Because endoplasmic reticulum is a single membrane organelle, whereas the mitochondria and nucleus have double membranes. Most abundant carbohydrate in nature is. Correct answer is option C, that is cellulose, because cellulose is the most abundant natural carbohydrate. Linkage in maltose is. Correct answer is option C, that is 1 to 4 glycosidic linkage. Keratin protein occurs in. Correct answer is option D, that is all of these. Keratin protein occurs in our hair, nails and our outer skin as well. All enzymes are chemically. Correct answer is option A, that is proteins, because enzymes are proteinaceous in nature. Optimum pH of human catalase is. Correct answer is option A, that is 7, because catalase works best at neutral pH. All are true for enzymes except. Correct answer is option C, that is they alter the direction of reaction, because enzymes do not change the direction or equilibrium of a reaction. Which is a 5-carbon compound in the Krebs cycles? So correct answer is option D, that is alpha ketoglutarate, because it contains 5 carbon atoms. The number of ATPs produced in aerobic respiration is. Correct answer is option C, that is 2, because aerobic respiration produces 2 ATP per glucose. Which step of respiration takes place in mitochondria? Correct answer is option D, that is all of the above. All these stages occur inside a mitochondria. HIV targets which cells? Correct answer is option D, that is both B and C. HIV mainly infects CD4 and T lymphocytes. Which of the following is a viral infection? Correct answer is option B, that is influenza, because influenza is caused by influenza virus. Most common sexually transmitted disease in the world is, correct answer is option D, that is hepatitis B, because hepatitis B is the most common STD viral infection. Bacteria was discovered by a dash scientist. Correct answer is option D, that is Dutch. Anton van Leeuwenhoek, a Dutch scientist, discovered the bacteria. Bacteria used in producing transgenic plants such as golden rice is, correct answer is option D, that is Agrobacterium tumefaciens, because it transfers genes into the plants. In bacterial cell, food is stored in the form of, correct answer is option C, that is glycogen, because bacteria commonly store carbohydrates as glycogen. Which one of the following is an ectoparasite? Correct answer is option B, that is leech, because leech lives on the external surface of the host. The largest mammal is, correct answer is option C, that is blue whale. The blue whale is the largest living mammal. Due to the presence of cranium, the name craniata is given to, correct answer is option B, that is vertebrata. Because vertebrates possess a cranium enclosing the brain. The volume of air remaining in the lungs even after forceful expiration is, correct answer is option C, that is residual volume, because residual volume is the volume that cannot be expelled from the lungs. Inside the nose, air becomes filtered, moist, and correct answer is option B, that is warmed, because the nasal cavity warms, moistens, and filters the inhaled air. Hamburger's phenomena is also known as, correct answer is option C, that is chloride shift, because it is the exchange of chloride and bicarbonate ions. Vertebral column of human has dash bones. Correct answer is option C, that is 33. Human have 33 vertebrae before fusion. The total number of bones in human upper limb is, correct answer is option B, that is 32, because one upper limb including the pectoral girdle has 32 bones. Inflammation of a joint is, correct answer is option A, that is arthritis, because arthritis means inflammation of joints. For every 2 potassium actively transported inward, how many sodium are pumped out? Correct answer is option C, that is 3, because the sodium potassium pump moves 3 sodium out and 2 potassiums in. Which one of the following acts as neurotransmitter in sympathetic nervous system? So correct answer is option C, that is adrenaline, because adrenaline, that is also called epinephrine, is the sympathetic hormone or neurotransmitter. Exophthalmia and Graves' disease are concerned with, correct answer is option A, that is thyroid, because Graves' disease is a hyperthyroid disorder causing the exophthalmos. The hormone which is clinically used as bronchodilator and heart stimulant is, correct answer is option A, that is epinephrine, because epinephrine dilates your bronchi and stimulates the heart. Break the ice implies, correct answer is to make beginning, because it means to start a conversation or ease tension. What is ethics primarily concerned with? So correct answer is morality, that is option B, because ethics deals with the moral principles. Which of the following is an essential component of ethical behavior? Correct answer is option A, that is honesty and integrity, because ethical behavior requires honesty and integrity. The word ethics is derived from the Greek word, correct answer is option A, that is ethos, because ethos means character or moral nature. For every 2 potassium actively transported inward, how many sodium are pumped outward? Correct answer is option 3. Because the sodium potassium pump moves 3 sodium out and 2 potassium in. So you have to memorize this on your fingertips because they oftenly confuse students with these values. Which one of the following acts as a neurotransmitter in the sympathetic nervous system? Correct answer is option C, that is adrenaline, because adrenaline, also called epinephrine, is associated with the sympathetic responses. Exophthalmia and Graves' disease are concerned with. Correct answer is thyroid, because Graves' disease is a thyroid disorder. The hormone which is clinically used as bronchodilator and heart stimulant is. Correct answer is option A, that is epinephrine, because it is used in anaphylaxis and asthma. The causative agent of gonorrhea is. Correct answer is option B, because gonorrhea is caused by Neisseria gonorrhoeae. Who wrote the famous play Romeo and Juliet? So correct answer is option B, that is William Shakespeare. Romeo and Juliet was written by William Shakespeare. Break the ice implies to make the beginning, because it means to start a conversation or reduce tension. What is ethics primarily concerned with? Correct answer is morality, because ethics deals more with the moral values and principles. Which of the following is an essential component of ethical behavior? Correct answer is option A, that is ethical, that is honesty and integrity, because ethical behavior is based on honesty and integrity. The word ethics is derived from the Greek word. Correct answer is option A, that is ethos, because the Greek word ethos means character or moral nature. तो बच्चों ये था 2023 सेकेंड टेस्ट का पार्ट 2। द रेस्ट 50 MCQs हमने सारे डिस्कस किए। आपने इन MCQs को बहुत अच्छे से मेमोराइज करना है और समझना है, बिकॉज दीज आर द मोस्ट रिपीटेड MCQs फॉर KMU CAT। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम 2023 का थर्ड टेस्ट डिस्कस करेंगे। नेक्स्ट वीडियो देखने के लिए हमारे साथ जुड़े रहें। तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज।